chat. Without a doubt. Right now, I'm going to kick off the thing and chat about the entertainment thing, the Jamaican entertainment. The dancehall part of it especially. See, the dancehall part. The reggae part, I go on good see me. The man them now go on with where I see the dancehall man I go on with. The man them hold it in the reggae. Love and unity. Same way. See, but I don't see the dancehall part of the thing right now. I be a cussing me see I go on tonight. I be a chasing each other, be a throwing words, be at each other. That me see I go on right now in the dancehall thing in Jamaica. From Jamaica to the world. Alright? Too much quarreling going on in the business, man. Every man a fight. Right now, when I see Beenie man and Kartel with King thing going on right there, so I fight over King. I Beenie man really still, me see really I do most of the say King. But them I show them the period still in the music. Right? Right now, Nuffy as a host. Nuffy right now and Masicka back and forth right now. See what I mean? It's just like all of the youth them right now just be a vibes and be a say this and put a hype and this and I said this and that and bounty killer and be things are going on right now in the industry. Right? And I'm gonna feel careful what I do right now with that. Cause remember saying no, we are the eyes of the people, you know. See, entertainer them on the eyes of the people then. Too much important things are going on in our earth right now. See? Well, if you have to pay more attention to. We don't see what's going on in our earth. We don't sight it up. We don't see how poor people get pressure from the politicians then. We don't see how the American president right now will come down on all the Israelite people them right now. The chosen people them right now. Send back people all over the place and send them back home. One day I work and I try to survive. And I take care of them loved ones and them family back home. And just scrape them up and I send them home. See? Them a come down harder than us. That's what the scripture says. Because why? Them knows how them last days. Yeah. The most I said it. So nobody worry on yourself, same way. But at the same time, more of the artists them show the people them type of things that were going. Stop the fuss and I divert the people them off what really were going. Because the fans them follow only, you know. And for passa thing on the inner and quarrel and war. And that's the thing over there. That them pay attention to. Alright? The bloggers them I say no the thing and all of that. So me I say, clean up the thing, man. What the unity? What the unity there in a dancehall? Where that's the main question I should have asked. Where is the unity in dancehall? In a 2025 right now. It's going on for some years right now, you know. But come like this year, it just gets stink. It get away. From Kartel, come home from prison, right? Kartel definitely come bring an energy to dancehall. Because dancehall is dead on it. That's why one of the time the man must say, it come like dancehall are dead. See? Because why? The youth them who out there right now was running dancehall, the Valiant them and the King them and Squash and all of them type of youth. Them up you there. Just for me not telling a lie. I be a garbage. You can pick one and two good songs with the man them do. But a majority are it a garbage when them not tell you can get them about wood in a mouth and this and that and all type of thing, man, heads color leak out and blah 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 and them a war amongst each other and a fire. Yo, it's just like craziness. The thing that really totally just garbage music was coming out from them youth. I'm not telling a lie. See? And one of the youth them when I see boss in them time, Joshy, that youth there's a good youth and things, but come like the youth they get a fight the same way. Even now still in the command and some fest the other day and kind of discarded. But I think I just say, it never mean it. See, they just not the hype at the moment, just like what Masicka explained and said. You know what I mean? And even Masicka himself really did that pick up till the next day when I'm watching. Masicka big up Kartel and say, yo, Kartel, we're good. And I've heard that Joshy come out and apologize. Because that's the hype at the moment as an artist at backstage and your artist up on stage and you just energy and the hype and the vibes. And you say things more time, which I don't really that you run for say still. It does happen, you know? So I saw the business go, I saw dancehall go, I saw the entertainment thing go. See, so big up to Joshy, he's a good youth. See, a good youth. Just keep on the positive side, Joshy. and just go and put out some positive music. Because the people them love you upon that level. They don't want to hear the passa thing with you and the gangster thing. I tell you that. You see the culture vibes, they hit them with that same. You see what? Don't follow the whole trend. We are go down the road right now, because they now go up, down them music that go. Alright? So just up your thing. See? So dancehall need to be up right now. Kartel bring the energy up, make artists know say yo, big money depend on the thing. You know if you get big paid and them things there. So we love that. Kartel bring that energy there. So we just keep that energy there going. I don't know why we not dashing the war thing in the midst of it, and they said this and they said that and the ray. It just not look good. I'm telling you the truth. See? I chat. Yeah, me a chat about me a chat about the thing on my feel. The thing not look too good, man. Artists don't clean up on the thing when you see what I want, man. See? When you see how earth I run. Clean up the music, man. When you can do nice dancehall music, nice girl tune, Just keep the music for the people, them, man. The people, them, I think, prefer want to hear music more than hear the chasing and go on. There's a handful of people want to hear the chasing, The people, them, are not really not going, nothing not going for them. Them, nothing not live for real, mostly. And them just want to hear this bag of chasing and baby and see when I warm amongst each other and that excite them. But you know, see the real uplifting people, which is the majority in the business who listen to music from here and all over the world, them want to hear good songs, man. Alright? Them want to hear some good songs I play to them. See? Them don't want to hear this passa war thing. The artists who know how war with themselves too much. Stop war with themselves in the business. The world are watching now. Only don't look too good right now. Alright? The music is great and powerful, but only not act great and powerful as persons, as humans, as artists. So you don't act loose right now. Alright, so I just that me I say right now, that me want them to know. Unity in the dancehall, we want back that unity there. In the dancehall, the sound man them, they distract everyone in the dancehall fraternity. A unity wants it a push right now. Unity, me say, see? In the dancehall fraternity, alright? Yeah, man. I chat. Yeah, that's the best. Without a doubt. So let's keep it locked. Alright? Salute. Man. Clean up the thing, artists. Alright? Clean up the thing. The youths them are watching. The youths them are following. See? The little girl picking them are watching. At least what I want to say. Alright? That's why them are going so while more time. And don't come tell me say music now no influence on people. Music is very influential. Music is powerful. Word is power. And the youth them look up to owner as artists. And owner them artists. So if you not tell them say, yo, look out boy head back on them thing there. I want to feel say, I gotta go on. Because them young, them mind young. You can't think for them own. And them I listen to every day in them ears. Alright? And one of the girls I listen to every day in them ears. The little school girls them. I not tell them all type of foolishness. So when I normalize it to them, so them start do it. When you can help curve back the thing, man. Alright? I remember years ago in Sister Kalanji, I take the place hard, black woman and child and them tune there. See? What is this world without love? Put away your distress and your grudge. World without love is not enough. Remember when I got yard that year there, And some bedroom I left down there as ball head. I ras, I come see the man in my ras, And less killing I go on them in that year there, See? Because what? A culture music was playing on the air, in the dance. It was culture. So the youth them they live more a culture life and a reason was Selassie and the Almighty and thing and love and unity. And that didn't go on. So don't tell me say music now no power. Music is the most powerfulest thing right now. Alright? Where you think so them sing ABC to the youth them? Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the quickest way that I catch it. So don't tell me nothing about music. I'm an artist, I'm a musician. I know music. Music is powerful. Alright, so clean up the music. And that I tell you now. And stop the war in the thing. Alright? Yeah. So just hear what? Just keep it locked. See? Chat. Man. Ziggie. Boom. That's Ziggie. Yeah. Clean it.